earthquake, safety that everyone should know. Get on your hands and knees to brace yourself before the earthquake knocks you over. This position will help you avoid falling while still enabling you to move. If needed, it is safer to remain in place during an earthquake rather than running outside or to different rooms, as you are at a lower risk of getting hurt. Head to a clear space far from any trees, poles or structures. When in the open, crouch down and remain there until the shaking ceases. Head to a clear space far from any trees, poles or structures. When in the open, crouch down and remain there until the shaking ceases. Be cautious and alert for potential falling objects while walking out during the aftershocks. If you use a wheelchair, make sure to secure the wheels and remove any loose items from it. Use your arms to shield your head and neck in order to avoid injuries from potential falls or objects that could hit you.